What is a team? All game types except the quick game can have multiple teams. The Game Master can add between 1 and 99 teams. Note that only 8 team colors are available. A team starts with a general that is appointed by the Game Master or Game Master Assistant. A team can consist out of soldiers, squad leaders, platoon leaders, and company leaders. It's not necessary to have all roles in your team, but it does create a structured hierarchy. Build your team. Inviting people to a team is done by scanning the correct QR code or using the invitation link. Building your team starts with the Game Master appointing one or multiple generals. The general starts the inviting process for the players. To create the correct structure, the general invites the next leading role in the game. Depending on the size of the game and the amount of people, this can be a company leader, platoon leader, squad leader, or soldiers. In this example, we include all leading roles to build one team, the red one. This process is similar to building the other teams. Note: be sure to set your company, platoon, and squad name when you accept the invite. You cannot change the team name later. When using NATO symbols from company leader and down, you need to set your unit type. The symbol will show on the map and in the hierarchy. The unit name suggestion is not your profile name and unit, but will be built with the NATO alphabet plus unit. The Game Master invites the Red General. The Red General invites one or more company leaders. This automatically creates a company for each invited company leader with the invited company leader as leader. The company leader invites one or more platoon leaders. This automatically creates a platoon for each invited platoon leader with the invited platoon leader as leader. The platoon leader invites one or more squad leaders. This automatically creates a squad for each invited squad leader with the invited squad leader as leader. The squad leader invites his soldiers. Note: you can mix and match with roles and units. For example, platoon leaders can also invite soldiers. Those soldiers will be directly linked to the platoon and not to a squad. As a Game Master, you can take up the general role to start building a team, and you can jump back to Game Master role when needed. You can also invite another person in a role and unit to assist the leader. This cannot be done with the normal invite procedure. Go to the search function, go to the unit that is under your command, tap the unit name, and invite an extra leader for that unit. Leaders have permissions to do this for all units in their command. Note: by leaving the game, you lose your position in the hierarchy. If you accidentally left the game and want to rejoin, another leader with the correct permission needs to invite you in the correct role. If you use the normal invite, you will create a new unit and you will not be linked to your previous unit. Remove players. Removing any player from the game can be done by Game Master, Game Master Assistant, or Leader. Leaders can only remove people that are in their unit, not people from the other units. To remove a player, you open Search Player, find the player by going over the hierarchy or use the search function on the top, tap the player's name and the Kick Out Player option pops up, tap Kick Out Player. The kicked out player receives a message and is kicked out of the game. The person that kicked the player also receives a message. Show on map. Note: you can only search players if they are showing up on the map. In some cases, the player is not visible on the map. For example, if the player closes the app, the player icon will disappear from the map after a few minutes. To show a player on the map, open the search player. Find the player by going over the hierarchy or use the search function on the top. Tap the player's name and the Show on Map option pops up. Tap Show on Map. You jump to the map, focused on the player's location. Team symbols. A team consists out of leaders and soldiers. Each role has a specific icon that shows in their stats and on the map. Here you can see the various icons and their representing role. General, company leader, platoon leader, squad leader, and soldier. The Game Master decides what set of icons is being used in the game. There is an option between the standard or the NATO icons. Team color. While the team color is fixed and the other teams and the Game Master will see this fixed color, squads might have another color. The game has 3 options. Each squad color is the same as the team color, each squad gets a different color automatically, or the superior role chooses the squad color on invite. Information. Your information about team, company, platoon, and squad is available in stats. When the structure is built correctly, the following information will show. The first line is your icon and role, and if you're a medic, it will show underneath your role. Second line is the game you are in. Third line is the team you are in. Fourth line is the company you are in, fifth line is the platoon you are in, and the sixth line is the squad you are in. Note: some information will be missing if certain units are not used in the game.